Okay, so you've got the ideal music track for your new video, but you're finding that the track is just too short or too long. What if you could magically make that music fit your video perfectly? Well, I'm going to show you how in this quick video. Hey there, I'm Mark Brown from Editor's Keys, and if you're into video editing or if you use Adobe Premiere Pro, consider subscribing to the channel because that's what we're all about. Okay, so you've found the perfect music track, but you're finding it's just way too long for that intro, or it's too short for that segment that you've got in the video that you really want to use it for. What if you could magically remix the track so it perfectly fitted, say, 2 minutes or 3 minutes or just a 15-second intro? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that using a tool called Remix in Adobe Audition. Now, let me show you how. So the first thing you need to do is get your music track and insert it into your timeline. The shortcut for this is the Insert shortcut on the comma key. Now, right-click on your audio track and click Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. This will open Audition and pull in your music track. Now, simply come up here and click Multitrack. Name your session and click OK. Now drag your music into the top track, go over to your Properties panel and click Enable Remix. Then go over to this feature below here called Target Duration. This is where you can choose to make your track shorter or longer. So choose your desired length to match your video. Go over to File at the top and click Export, and then choose Export to Adobe Premiere Pro. Double check your settings and click Export. And there you go, it's as simple as that. So there you go, how cool was that technique? It's so easy to do, and before I'd just be banging my head trying to make a track fit a certain time of our video, but now you can do it all automatically just using that Quick Connect feature there within Adobe Audition and then bring it straight into Premiere Pro. It's such a cool technique, but let me know in the comment section below, did you know about this and how are you going to use it in your future videos? Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like, smash that subscribe and that notification bell, and I'll see you in our next Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial.